Your users are leaving your website to go to ChatGPT and Claude, asking them, how do I do something on your website? How do I get onboarded? How do I shop? And you are losing the game to ChatGPTs of the world. You don't know what users want. You don't know what AI agents coming to your websites are doing. How can you improve the product? How can you gain the users' trust and convert them more? We're going to provide a solution to all these problems with Rover. You just simply add this one line of script tag on your website code and we make your website AI native. What does it mean? Say you got an e-commerce store and you added like one script tag that we gave to you on your website, and now your users can come, speak to your website or talk to your website to get stuff done, not just answers. So here I'm asking Rover, shop me a vase, 200 bucks, and a lamp, and ship to Demis Sabis 246 Deer Street, SF. The agent in milliseconds automatically finds the products your users want, scrolls, clicks, types, completes the checkout, fills form, everything into it. You don't have to configure any CMS, rack pipelines, API integrations, or even you have to maintain zero things. All you need to do is in 1 second get onboarded on your website. Let me show you how. Just click get started right here. Get your first site script tag. Just click on the start guided launch. All you need to do is you're creating a new site, give some site name like Cool Magic, and then I'll explain this. Most of the defaults are pretty straightforward. If you want analytics of what AI agents are doing on your site, what is the success rate? What is the cloud trying to do? What is Codex trying to do? Or what is the feedback they've got for your product? That analytics layer is called a Rover book. And by default, Rover and Rover book will provide you together. So your website works for AI and humans. If you just want only the analytics, you don't want automation, you can select Rover book only. Now let's say alert domains. Now this is where you need to provide your sites or list of sites here so that this script tag will be valid to work on your specific domains. Let's say I got a website, Wix demo, Gamma Versal. You just simply copy the full HTML. We automatically get the domain. So this is your domain. Or if you just want to give your domain, just this, right? If your domain is example.com, you can give example.com. If you have subdomains, you can add all of them. Or go to the next step of like, if you want to allow Rover to work on your website, all like main domains, subdomains, the default option workflow. You just can give some label or just leave it alone. I'm gonna give Cool Magic 450. You can put TDL of like for how long you want this Rover config to be valid. I want forever validity. I don't want to interrupt users, so pick no expiry and the capability profile, right? So if you just want Rover to only work on your site and no external data or information, pick embed only. But if you want Rover to gather information securely on a cloud platform when it's related to third-party website, but continue task on your website live, pick embed and cloud. Say for example, I'm on your website. I'm like, I have like a clothing brand, xyz.com. Now I want to come to your Cool Magic and submit a code. If you picked embed and cloud, the agent determines that it needs to fetch the details of like xyz.com first and then fill in a form on Cool Magic. So we spin up cloud browsers securely. The agent does the task needed there on the cloud and then comes back and continues on your website. So we highly recommend you to select this out and click continue. This is where you can customize role. You can give your own name. I'll be like Magic Man. You can have your custom mascot, or if you don't want the mascot at all, you can keep it hidden as well. And the default CTA we have is like do it with Rover. If you want to like improve it, you can like go ahead, right? It's already do it with Magic Man. I can just leave it default. And you can select business type. So why is this relevant? When you click on Rover, you see like a rotating things that like a prompt helpers to users. So I'll be like, yeah, how do I export my data? All of this stuff. So you can get hold of all of these things. So let's say if you got an e-commerce website, click e-commerce. If you're a like AI website, like a Pixas, and interaction, like voice input. Do you want to enable voice mode or not? If you provide like a mascot MP4, if you want like a voice, you can turn it on. By default, we realize that users don't like persistent sound, so it's off. And the intro, so when like an intro text that you want to show to your users when they come to your website. For example, oh, the task is done. For example, when users come to our site, we'll have like an intro text of, hey, I can help you explore, retour, and Rover. If you want to something like that, test out a magic platform or anything you want. And these are what we call as shortcuts. So if you don't want to have your users open to like a blank chatbot, but if you want to guide them on certain shortcuts, you can provide these shortcuts, right? So that people can just like click them, and then the agent can like get started on it. So you can like click add a shortcut, give a name. Shortcut is nothing but a prompt. Let's say you want to create let's try shortcut, right? So I'm an e-commerce website. I want to help people shop something. Let's say shop a floral arrangement. The prompt that we should give AI is like help find user a floral arrangement. Add to cart. Whatever you want to prompt your own agent. So no APIs, no integrations, just like can like provide a shortcut that helps users. If you want to keep on adding more, you can enter up to 12. If you don't want to this, you can just skip all of these things. This is greeting timings. You can leave it default. And again, voice input, you can configure. This is where you can provide your custom mascot assets. You can provide your own. You can provide your own MP4, or you can just like leave it to the defaults. And that's it. The final step, as I mentioned, if you want Retriever to get hold of third-party websites context, like Google knowledge or some other knowledge relevant to executing task on your website, all you have to do is enable this to on, save, enable the scrape mode to on. Now the agents can spin up secure cloud browsers for third-party actions, third-party data scraping, and then continue rest of the things on your website. And again, highly recommend doing this. And then just click generate install. Now you got like this script tag with the configurations of your specific site ID, your specific rover based uh, actions that you provide as shortcuts. All of this, all you need to do is simply copy the script tag snippets and put it in your websites where you put your Twitter tracking pixel or Google Analytics tag. That's it. You are good to go. Now your website will have like an AI agent that users can come talk to and get work done. And not just that, your AI agents can trigger Rover on your website and execute the task perfectly well, and you get to see the analytics of all of it. And if you want to improve AI agents discovering Rover on your site and leave you ratings, feedbacks, and Rover to capture all the analytics, we highly recommend doing this optional activities as well. And what are those? On your website where you have various pages, you can add like rover site.json as well as agentcard.json. So these are new protocols in the pipeline that will help your clocks, cursors, codexes of the world to know that the best way to do actions on your website is through Rover, and you expose some shortcuts for them. Shopping a floral arrangement, what to expect, the input, what to expect for the output, right? You can also add in llms.txt so that agents reading llms.txt know that they can trigger Rover on your website and automate the task by calling the Rover endpoint. Why are we trying to add these optional agent card.json, llms.txt, or even HTML tag? We are adding these because to optimize or to maximize your chances of various AI agents visiting your sites, navigate through Rover so that we can provide you the rich analytics of like how many agents visited your site, what is the success rate, right? What are the feedbacks AI agents got for you? Oh, Codex says your pricing is easy. Some other agent says they have a pain point in figuring out what to do on your website. So now you can interview agents coming to your site, let AI agents leave a memory sticky notes for themselves on your website. So you get a full agent analytics layer that has never been possible before. So you will be able to build and improve your products both for AI agents and you. And that's it. You'll be live with Rover in like a couple seconds.